Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Hope Mutindi. So today I'll be doing a review on a product that I received from a friend of mine. I don't know what it is yet, but I have a clue. I think it's a ring light and a tripod. Yes, so let's do this. I don't have like scissors, but we'll use what we have. Think I should go and get a scissors. Yes. So this is the first product. I'll open it with my hands. Yes. If I had nails, I'd do this so that you can feel that ASMR movement and voice. So we'll open from here. Let's see. Yay! So this is a tripod. My new tripod. My new tripod. This is the tripod. This is the tripod. I can't wait to try this on. I've been wanting a tripod for a very long time because it's going to help me to record my videos, you know. So this is nice. I love it. I feel like it's strong. It's so strong. And I've been window shopping tripods. So this is really nice. I really love it, love it, love it, love it. And then you have this. Let's open it. Let's see. Yay! Yay! This is a ring light. We have a ring light. I'm so excited. I really like receiving. Oh my god! We have a ring light. Wow, we have a ring light. We have the phone holder or the camera holder. So this is our ring light, guys. Yeah. So what's this? Is it a screw or something? I don't know, but we'll definitely use it. I'll definitely figure it out how to use this. And then we have a remote. Damn, we have a remote. I'm so excited. I think I've seen a microphone. Yes, just a minute. Yes. No, this is not the microphone, but I saw the microphone somewhere. I don't know where it is, but yes, this is what we have. I think this is a bolt for tying it. Don't know where the microphone is, but oh well. This is so nice. I am so excited. I can finally record my videos with a lot of ease. Chick. Record and post. So thank you guys for watching my video. If you're a new subscriber, kindly subscribe. If you have any questions, leave down below the comment, and don't forget to wait for more updates on my next videos. Bye guys. Thank you for watching.